Hello again. Well, as you can see, my camp is up and the sun just came. It's just beautiful now. The day started with rain. It wasn't raining, it was pouring. And yeah, if you're new, I'm at Lake Øksne. Jeg er norsk, snakker engelsk. Norwegian, I speak English. So I'm out for 2 nights. I think I'll just stick around here and have this as a base camp. There is a gravel road that goes over the hill there and into another lake. And I've never been there, so that's my plan tomorrow. I'll check it out and maybe port us into another lake after that. So just finally relaxing now. Gonna have a beer and it's gonna be dark, I think, in like an hour or something. So yeah, finally settled down and looking forward to the evening. lake is like glass, like a mirror, som ett speil. There's no wind. It's gonna be alright with a bonfire. I haven't had that for a while, so. It's a quite popular lake. But when I came to the parking lot, you know, the boat ramp, whatever you call it, there were no cars there. So I think I'm all alone at this big lake. Took me almost 2 hours to get to this campsite. I've never been here at this specific site before. But I haven't seen a single person at all, and it's so still, so quiet. Okay, I'm gonna start the bonfire quite soon. Yeah, soon. It's gonna be. Yeah, I have the. Great grit. I'm just gonna have some dehydrated stuff. Really simple tonight. And, tomorrow, who knows? Maybe I'll get some fish. If not, then I'm gonna have a steak. I think I'm gonna have the steak, the beef anyway. So we'll see. It's really simple tonight. So. Yeah.
Good morning.
Yeah, slept great tonight. It was cold, so I was glad. I'm glad I brought my winter bag. It's been really chilly this morning, so well, I'm gonna paddle that way. I'll try to portage into another lake. I'll keep this as a base camp because I'm leaving tomorrow. and explore. I've been having a back problem for the past weeks, and I even seen a doctor about it, a chiropractor, I think. I'll see if I'm capable of portaging or not. I have to be careful, I'm all alone, you know, so. But I'll find out, so. So just to show you, when I'm going to stand up, it's yeah, it's kind of hard. So yeah, it's a really great place. I'm loving the site, and yeah, the water level must be record high now. It's a big lake. Once again, the same lake I've been to many times before. Øksne. I just like it. It's lots of possibilities to paddle around in small bays like this. So yeah. Okay, so anyway, I'm heading over there. You can paddle in there. It's not a big lake, so, and then you can portage to even another lake. So very much my piece. I feel like a whiz, but I just feel it in my back. The doctor said I had some sort of a muscle stretch on my left hip, and that muscle goes to the spine or something. It's like electrical, so I'm not gonna mind you with my health issues, but I have one right now, and I mean, if we were two persons, we could carry the canoe. It's not a very big, no, it's not a very heavy canoe, but you carry with your upper body, you know. Sitting in the canoe was okay, but I'm sorry, people. There's no portaging. Anyway, doctor or chiropractor, he meant I will be totally well again. Well, I think I'm just gonna stick around this this lake. I'm okay with it, you know. Just for a couple of days out there. I like to do a bigger expedition. I have to get more fit, obviously. So this is more like a hiking video. More like a hiking video than a canoe video. Yeah. I see lots of firewood everywhere, and I think I'm gonna bring some back. Came from there. I hiked up there about 400 meters, I guess. Not sure. Oh man, I feel like I was. Isn't that what you say? Was pyse, as we say in Norwegian. But I guess that even the Vikings had back problems every now and then, so it's not something I've been struggling with over the years. But yeah, that's just how it is. But I got to hike, I got to see. I didn't film everything, but I filmed a lot. So I'm gonna head back out to the water and I'm gonna paddle. It's possible to paddle way in there. So I think I'm gonna find some firewood, leave it at my camp and just paddle on. I'm gonna take it. I have to take it easy. You know, it itches to just carry my canoe up there. I'm not gonna moan anymore. That's just how it is this time. You know your limits. Don't be ashamed of it. Admit your limits. And next time I'll most likely be portaging next spring, because then my back will be fine again. So okay, enough of this mumbling. That's just me feeling the pain in the back. Kind of punky, but yeah. Mm-mm-mm. Morning. Oh, it sure got foggy now. Started off promising with sun, but now it's all fogged up, and the lake isn't glass anymore. It's all grey now. The forecast said it's going to be foggy and it might be rain as well, so I'm just packing up my gear. That's what I do first, and then I'll eat breakfast. I'll pack everything in a boat, and the tarp is the last thing I pack down. I used to kind of pack it first because it's really the toughest thing to pack, but I've experienced that it's a very good thing to have a tarp when you pack if it's going to rain. So that's why I save it to the last now. So the tent is already packed. It's been good to be out there. Yesterday was fantastic. It was sunny and it was so quiet. I fished, but I lost a lure. And yeah, just seeing stuff, hiking, paddling, eating good food, obviously relaxing, and so don't go yet. I will when I paddle afterwards, I will paddle in the fog and let's see if we can get some good shots out. Anyway, there's lots of wind and I'm sorry about that, so I hope you enjoyed this. I certainly enjoyed this. I will be back soon, hopefully with a better back. You got it? Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'll cut it there before I'll make more jokes. Well, I'm almost all packed up. My canoe over there is almost ready now, so it's just the camera and water bowl and really small stuff. There wasn't any firewood here when I came, but I've stacked some for next people to come, and tried to leave kindling stuff on the rocks, it dries up faster than the ground. So. Well, I'm sorry if there's wind noise. It's been 2 good nights. It's been 3 decent days here. You know, it's always good to return to your family after a trip. Makes you realize how lucky you are. This time it's going to be different to come home. Our 15-year-old cat just died a week ago, so maybe this This little trip is a remembrance of him. So again, sorry about wind noise. So there won't be a cat when I come home to nag for food or treats or attention. So it's a bit of a special feeling. I know some people say it's just a pet, but it is a pet that has been around you for most of your adult life. So really for the citrus. I'm gonna wrap it up here now. This will be my last canoe trip of the year. It's soon October and it's really chilly now.